Hey guys, welcome to Bonus View Spaces another channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's see how to install 20mm wheel spacers on your Tesla. Let's go. As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp flow, they are very safe and reliable. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt had good mechanical properties compared with installed standards. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.